Right. We're going to try Rockola's Nibbler from Datasoft. Now, I love Nibbler in the arcade, and I never knew they ported it to the Apple IIe or the Apple II system. So I'm looking forward to giving this game a try. Now, I've played this on my Atari 800. I've got a cartridge called Nibbler or Serpentine, which is basically the same game. And, you know, on ColecoVision, there was a homebrew called Son of Nibbly, which is really good. But this was released back in the day, and I'm looking forward to seeing how well this game plays compared to the arcade game. I doubt very much I'm going to break 1 billion points like Mr. Tim McVeigh did. But let's give it a run here. So we're going to do one player. Select joystick. So basically, I'm running through this maze. I'm picking up all these little fruits. Each time I do, my snake gets longer and longer. And I have to avoid hitting my own body as I maneuver around the maze. So I've got to plan all my trips accordingly to prevent myself from running in to my body like that. Oops. So we can finish this off here. Go down, over. Oh, I just did it again. You dummy. Oh yeah, this game ain't gonna go long. Very long. Keep doing stupid stuff like that. Get that one, get that one, get that one. Bam! There we go. Got some bonus points. Okay, let's see if I can do better on this maze. We'll circle around the outside here. Get all these guys. I'll try to come in here. Yeah, don't go down, dummy. Go back here on the top again. I'll try to serpentine my way around. Get my body to... Uh-oh. I'm dead. Rats. Didn't quite make it, man. That's my last snake. Oh, where are you? There we go. That one, and that one, and that one. Awesome. Oh, bonus. Okay, let's see if I can collect all these guys here. Go around the perimeter first. Whoop. Oh boy. Boy, I really goofed that up. Game over, man! Pretty awesome. It's not too bad of a game. Pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching.